Hi dear seers，DSE 咧 Speaking 最後衝刺咧，今日俾大家10個最後提示 Final Tips，即刻開始 ，Let's go！ 想最後衝刺可以報我哋 Speaking Ultra Intensive，我好相信一堂就可以幫大家追翻晒所有嘢，可以即刻網上報名啦，攞埋筆記喺屋企即刻上堂，加油！第一個 tip 咧就係唔好再背啲罐頭句啦。我知好多名師咧，甚至我哋份 notes 有啲好深嘅句式咧，其實係唔需要背嘅。例如你唔講 I agree with you， 啲人會教你講咩咧？ Wow, you have just hit the nail on his head. Oh my god, we're on the same wavelength. 但係呢啲講法咧，其實講出嚟非常之唔自然啦，同埋你好似特登要錯個 accent 去講嘅話咧，其實係唔好㗎。我覺得咧越簡單反而越好喎，即係大癲啊！一個字 yes 其實係非常之好嘅。例子你可以話 Yes, your point about peer pressure makes so much sense. I would also like to add on. 咁你就可以講埋你嘅 point 落去啦。第二個位置仲誇張。I agree with you 唔好講，反而講 I agree 咧會更加好嘅喎。例子 I agree. Apart from your point about identity formation, I also believe that the exposure to social media also amplifies their insecurities. 喺呢個位置見唔見到？我就咁講住 I agree， 其實都有同意嘅意思，但係其實咧考官真係唔係咁着重呢兩個字係乜嘢，反而你有冇聽人講啦，有冇做 rephrasing 啦，係更加重要嘅。記住你嘅發言或者你講嘅嘢咧，最好係點咧？考生 A 講嘅嘢加埋你 A 加 B， 就唔好突然之間彈咗去 C， 完全 irrelevant 嘅。咁所以永遠都記住要附和人哋個 point， 或者有聽人講嘢 rephrasing 呢個咧比你講乜嘢 phrase 更加重要。第二個 tip 咧就係關於壟斷發言啦。其實一個考生咧總共咧差唔多有2分鐘去發言，點解咧？因為8分鐘嘅 discussion 咧有4個考生，其實 on average 係講2分鐘嘅。如果有任何人咧佢講咗1分鐘多啲，接近2分鐘咧，我覺得就差唔多可以係壟斷㗎啦。講太多太長啦。咁你可以做啲咩咧？有2個部分嘅，一個咧就係 verbal， 一個就係 non-verbal。你可以咧首先 verbally 講啲乜嘢咧？當佢自然嘅停頓位，或者佢已經講得太長咧，你可以點咧？你就係你好似好想講嘢，發出少少認同嘅聲音啦。咁其實考官係好明顯聽到，同埋佢咧講緊嘢嗰個一定會 feel 到你想講嘢㗎啦。咁你其實你擘大隻口咁樣咧，其實就好明顯㗎啦。咁第二個位置咧，你就可以咧稍為同佢講翻一句，如果佢嘅自然停頓位好似咁樣講嘅英文嘅時候，你就話I'm sorry to interrupt, but your point about social media makes sense 或者 is really relevant, and I have a relevant or related point to add。呢個位置咧，你其實咧係 sorry to interrupt 啦，其實你已經好有禮貌㗎啦。另外咧，你講到佢本身講佢嘅 point 係 social media， 你又有聆聽啦，咁你就繼續講落去。其實呢一度咧，只要佢真係有壟斷嘅意欲咧，你咁樣講咧係唔會俾人扣分之餘咧，我覺得係一個好大方嘅介入或者中斷佢嘅方式嚟嘅。咁所以記住啊，去中斷對方嘅時候咧，要分 verbal 同埋 non-verbal。如果兩樣都用埋，你首先望住佢，跟住準備想講嘢啦，加埋頭先呢個句子嘅話咧，我覺得咧就非常之自然嘅，係唔需要背嘅，因為我覺得係基本嘅禮貌，大家可以試下啦。第三個 tip 咧，我知大家咧平時 speaking 咧就準備好晒啲 points 啦，10分鐘裏邊，咁咧最大忌咧就係人哋講咗你個 point， 尤其是你唱唔到第一個講啦，人哋英文超勁嘅，就令到你嚇窒晒，完全唔知點算。咁其實咧同一個 point 都有好多唔同嘅演繹方法，最好嘅方式咧就係同一個 point， 但係原來 elaboration 同埋 example 係一定可以唔一樣㗎。example 咧其實每個人諗到嘅都唔一樣㗎。有啲咩例子咧？有數據例子法啦、名人用語啦、你嘅個人故事啦，或者朋友嘅故事，呢啲全部都係好嘅 example 啊！考官係唔可以質疑㗎，因為你個朋友有嘅例子咧，其實佢唔可以話係錯㗎喎。俾個例子大家 ，Well, I agree with Candidate 8's point about tutorial centers, and I have a personal experience to share as well related to Bond's class。哇，佢講關於補習社咧嘅 point 咧係 make sense 嘅，但係咧我嘅個人例子就係去阿 Bond 嘅上堂，阿 Bond 嘅 course 咧係好唔同嘅。呢個位置咧，最後一句咧，你甚至可以講埋 This reinforces the idea that attending tutorial classes could be very helpful。喂，我都同意咧，其實咧上補習，尤其是好嘅補習，例如話 Speaking Intensive Course 啦，我哋嘅課程咧係幫到你嘅。咁所以就算 Candidate A 講補習，你都講補習，兩個 point 係 repetitive 咗，但係由於你嘅 example 唔係 repetitive 咧，你就可以講嘅。我覺得考官絕對唔可以因為咁樣而扣分，因為佢覺得第一你有聆聽人講嘢啦，第二咧你嘅 example 唔一樣，所以咧你仍然係可以攞到高分嘅。咁所以俾人講咗個 point， 千祈唔好騰雞啦。下一個提示咧就係關於點樣用 Q card 啦。其實 Q card 咧可以係幫你，亦都係你最大嘅敵人啦。因為考評報告咧，包括2025、2024都講到咧，好多學生咧其實係 become overly reliant on their cue card。意思就係佢哋根本上唔係同你溝通嘅。I'm not even talking to you, but I'm talking to my cue card. Good evening, today we're here to talk about。咁嘅話咧，其實係會大扣分咧，亦都令到你咧講嘢非常之唔自然㗎。咁咧，我覺得咧有一個 practice 就係大家最後衝刺階段咧應該點做咧？望住咯喎，過渡嘅字句，例如話 I believe that， 你可以望住 cue card， 但係 keyword 咧就望住唔係考官啊，係望住考生啊，因為 group discussion 你唔係同考官講嘢㗎，唔係 IR 啊嘛。咁所以你要記住 I believe that 嗰度望住考生，跟住咧當你過渡字句，例子話 For example, I would like to postpone reasons。咁你講 for example 咧就望一望，跟住咧就望翻出去，咁樣去望睇，咁反而係最好嘅一個例子。俾多一個例子大家 In my opinion, the most effective way is to eradicate poverty。見唔見到 In my opinion 咧，我望一望，但係 the most effective way 講重點咯喎，最重要點啊？就係解決貧窮嘅問題。咁我就望翻住咩考生，就唔係考官。咁咧記翻住過渡咧就可以望一望 keyword 就望住考生。咁嘅話其實係好嘅 effective communication， 我諗連考官咧都會好欣賞你將重點咧係望住其他人講，而過渡咧先係望一望自己嘅 cue card。仲有啲咩例子係一啲好明顯嘅 transition keywords 過渡咧？例如係 this is because 啦，例如係 for instance 啦，例如話 therefore I believe that 呢一啲咧都可以稍為望住 cue card， 再去望住考生講嘢嘅。試一試嘅話咧，你嘅 eye contact 一定會有好大進步啊！下個部分咧就係做 body language 加埋我哋嘅 hand gestures， 我哋手勢啦。好多學生緊張嘅時候咧，佢哋冇 prep 任何手勢啦，反而會點咧？就想玩張 cue card 啦，或者喐啦，隻手咧開始好唔自然咁做啲咩咧？就可能撥頭髮啦。我覺得咧，大家咧永遠要記住喺 group discussion 咧，唔係 IR 話 group discussion 咧，永遠當你望住其他考生嘅時候，隻手咧就有一個 resting position， 就係你可以擺定。我自己會點做咧？我係擺定喺度前面嘅，因為點解咧？當我講重點，例如話 this is going to increase a lot， 我隻手咧就可以幫我。你見唔見到好大分別㗎？ It's going to increase a lot， 冇特別啦。It's going to increase a lot， 其實係差好遠㗎。甚至你個頭啦，你嘅手勢咧，其實係幫你咧去達到一個好嘅 communication 嘅。咁咧，如果你手咧長期玩 cue card 啦、揈頭髮啦，咁你點做咧 ？It's gonna increase 咁啊，唔通係嘛？咁唔 make sense。所以咧，其實咧，將 cue card 同所有學生講，擺喺台面就唔掂㗎，隻手永遠都係咁樣嘅。點樣開始咧？例如 good evening 嘅時候咧，開始咧，或者 today we are here， 我自己咧會有一個動作，就永遠都有可打開或者 share 嘅動作嘅。係啦，呢個係非常之好嘅。向上啦、向下啦等等，咁其實咧呢三個動作咧已經可以包抄大部分嘅 points。咁你見我講嘢咧都好多唔同嘅其他動作，但係呢啲咧只不過係錦上添花，因為你要記住一樣嘢，就係 hand gestures 固然重要，但係你其實最緊張咧，我保證就係你嘅 pronunciation 啦，你會好在意自己 accent 啦，同埋有冇塊 grammar 錯，同埋點樣去諗到句同句之間嘅聯繫啊！你真正喺 group discussion 甚至 IR 最擔心嘅嘢咧，係反而以上呢啲嘢。就唔係手勢，咁所以你其實溫住幾個熟嘅手勢，甚至我哋嘅 Speaking Intensive Course 仲有幾個額外嘅手勢咧，用埋嘅話咧係非常之好，所以要練好呢啲手勢啦。下個最後提示咧就係你講嘢嘅語調啦，其實咧語調咧係絕對有科學根據㗎。其實我哋平時講嘢咧嘅38% 咧嘅溝通咧都係嚟自我哋嘅語調㗎。你想象下，我同你咁樣講咧 ，Good evening, today we are here to talk about robots and AI, artificial intelligence。你完全咧唔知道個重點 keyword 㗎。我同啲學生講咧，如果你要達到就咁用你嘅語調都可以攞到高分咧，你嘅 keyword 一定要稍為講慢少少，而且你可以有重音嘅。例子 ，Good evening, today we are here to talk about artificial intelligence。你見唔見到啊？好明顯 ，I'm here to talk about 咧，其實係稍為快少少，但係到 AI artificial intelligence 咧，我用埋手勢添嘅，好誇張。咁我就會好明顯話到俾你知，呢一個係重點之中嘅重點。啲學生咧，咪好多時候咧，重點就係你哋喺 cue card 咪寫好多 keyword 嘅，你好想講，尤其是你嗰字比較深嘅，你可能想講話 the versatility of AI 係咪啊？咁你講到 versatility 咧，好多學生咧喺我哋 oral practice 我睇好多，佢哋有個問題就係咩咧？Today we're here to talk about versatility 啊！佢因為好緊張，呢個字又好深，但係佢又唔夠信心，唔敢讀慢啲。佢哋以為讀得快咧係俾人聽到，但係其實越慢越有信心，呢個字先俾考官完全消化到啊嘛。咁所以去到深嘅字句 keyword， 我成日同啲學生講 cue card， 我唔該你間低嗰個字，嗰個字要提自己讀慢啲，同埋讀清楚啲啊。呢個字 the versatility of artificial intelligence， 成個 phrase 咁靚，你應該好好把握去 show off， 而唔係the versatility of AI。 將你喺 Q 卡你覺得最重要，我哋教開嘅9宮格咧 ，Speaking Ultra Intensive 咧，每一個宮格9宮格裏邊咧，每一個格有1至2個 keyword， 我請你揀低佢，提自己喺 rehearsal 嘅時候一定要讀慢啲，最好加埋咩啊 ？Focus on it， 隻手本身咁樣噶嘛 ，I want to focus on it。The versatility of artificial intelligence， 咁咪好清晰啦。咁樣嘅 communication 咧，我可以同你講係直達7分，係滿分啊。咁所以大家要練定，其實你嘅語調加埋重音 focus 咧 keyword 咧係非常重要㗎。喺呢個時候咧，要快啲練多啲㗎啦。呢一個 final tip 咧就係點解你咁驚 dead air 咧？其實 dead air 係冇問題㗎。俾個例子大家。So far we have discussed the pros and con。其實你得嚟咧，我寧願你做啲咩咧？就係 take a pause， 講慢少少，有一啲自然嘅停頓位。So far we've discussed the pros and cons。嗱，我唔係講得好快嘅喎，我唔係So far we've discussed the pros， 但係我係將重音同埋我覺得自然停頓位咧，有去停一停或者靜一靜。其實咧亦都唔代表你差㗎。好多學生咧諗唔到一個字點講嘅時候，好中意用I think 其實你話 I think。The versatility of AI， 你見唔見到我 pause 一 pause， 我諗清楚先開始講。呢個唔單止係信心嘅表現啦，因為呢啲 speaker 都要諗講咩啦。何況我哋講廣東話，你諗下，我都要諗講咩㗎嘛。咁所以冇可能咧係一匹布咧，好似瀑布咁一路去到最尾嘅。喺我哋自然嘅停頓位置咧係需要之外咧，如果你諗唔到嘅話，我寧願你停一停，諗清楚 ，and then you go on to say whatever you want to say， 咁樣會更加好嘅。俾多個例子大家 ，perhaps we can now。move on to cover the proposal or the suggestions other than something like that， 係咪啊？咁我覺得咧，如果你諗唔到嘅話咧，俾自然停頓佢，俾自己一啲信心。喺你自己喺屋企咧，用我哋 Speaking Intensive 嘅 one-on-one response 喺練習嘅時候諗唔到，停一停，OK，俾自己慢啲，唔好咁急。咁嘅話咧，反而好過不停咁呢兩個音係咁重複。咁當你咧停咗之後，你講嘅頭先個 point 講 keyword 咧嘅重音咧。再可以加埋有埋手勢嘅話咧，其實你嘅 group discussion 甚至 IR 咧嘅表現就會非常之好噶啦。最後一個 tip 咧就係關於咧，通常喺 waiting room 度咧，大家準備好啦，個心係好緊張，好緊張，因為你人生第一次 DSE 嘅。咁準備入考場之前咧，其實有啲咩可以做嘅咧？我覺得有個心態改變咧，我搞咁多年都仲係真嘅。甚至我拍呢啲 video 咧，有時候喂講真，我面對鏡頭，我成日上堂有成100個學生、200個學生，可能我都有啲驚，但我點樣去做到咧？我請你寫低呢一句，記住，記一世都最好。就係當你做一啲 public speaking 嘅嘢嘅時候 ，you are not being judged, but you are communicating。你係講一啲你覺得啱嘅嘢。想像一下，例如你好中意打機嘅，我叫你同我分享打機嘅一招，用英文。你唔會在乎咩咧？我 judge 你嘅 accent， 我 judge 你講得好唔好，而係你會點啊？你真心想分享點樣打得叻啲嗰啲技巧。你個分享嘅心態從心出發，你係想溝通話俾人知，因為嗰隻 game 你好中意噶嘛，就唔係點咧？講一句I'm so scared that my accent will be judged by others。你每一句都擔心你講得好唔好，每一個音講成點，有冇 grammar 錯，下一句講咩，人哋點樣睇你？頭先個考生嘅 accent 係咪靚過你？人哋係咪名校？呢啲嘢你諗咁多，已經將你想講嘅嘢，你嘅分享欲 the genuine desire to share 完全殺死晒。咁你冇好緊張咯，一入到去你就不停諗自己有冇手震啊，有冇講得好差。但係 genuinely you are there to have a discussion, to have an open discussion, constructive 嘅 discussion。咁所以你要做嘅嘢咧，反而記住就係我係喺度溝通，你喺度分享，而唔係俾人 judge 考試。如果你可以喺臨考之前1分鐘或者30秒諗一諗呢個心態，深呼吸一下咧，同埋記翻住我哋頭先講嘅所有 tips 咧，我相信你嘅 group discussion 同埋 IR 咧都做得非常之好嘅。有好多學生就話：哇，阿邦你今日講好多都係 group discussion 喎，咁 individual response 咁難點算咧？我哋咧亦都對我哋嘅 Speaking Ultra Intensive 裏邊嘅 course 咧嘅 IR support 係好有信心。今年咧有埋個 AI bot 去幫大家一齊練習之餘咧，係堅持30日內咧1張 flashcard 1個 framework 咁樣練習嘅。咁所以2本筆記一齊用，加埋我哋主筆記啦，有晒所有嘅 skills 同埋 AI bot 咧，我哋會相信咧成個系統咧幫大家做 individual response 咧會做得非常之好嘅。咁所以咧今次咧就我哋深入晒所有 speaking 有用嘅 skills。中意嘅 video 記住幫我 like 咗，subscribe 埋呢個 channel， 撳晒鐘仔，下次有片一定唔會錯過。我哋下次翻嚟咧就準備講其他分卷嘅最後準備搞掂 final tips 啦。記住 subscribe， 下次見，拜。